Hi everyone. So this is a bonus lesson on professional communication. It explores one of the most dreaded sentences in the professional setup, that is, I don't know. It's an absolutely embarrassing situation when you are presenting something or you have presented a report and your senior or your colleague asks you a question and you're like, I don't know. Well, there's nothing wrong in not knowing. The whole point of life is that we have to be constantly learning, right? But sometimes when you're in a situation and you do not know a certain thing, the mere fact that you have to say it out loud is more soul crushing than the fact that you actually do not know. So, this session will help you navigate professional settings where you do not know something without making you sound underconfident. So, let's dive in. Imagine at the end of your presentation, your senior asks you a question and you have no idea. You want to say, I do not know, but hold on, right there, do not say that. Rather, try these sentences like, I appreciate your question. Let me verify the specific details and get back to you promptly after this presentation. Now, once you say this, it is your responsibility to actually verify the specific details and get back to the person whomsoever has asked you that question. So make sure you just do not use this statement to get out of the situation. Rather, use this sentence to buy yourself some time so that you can get back with the proper details. Next is if you get a counter argument or a different perspective on a presentation you have made or an idea you have pitched, you could say, that's an excellent point you have raised. I would like to delve deeper into that aspect and provide you with a comprehensive answer. That means I am not sure right now, but I would want to explore your perspective a little more and give you an answer. May I follow up with you after the presentation? Excellent way to escape a tricky. Many a times your boss might end up asking you for exact numbers or statistics. You can say, I do not have the exact data, but I will ensure to gather the necessary information and provide you with the detailed response shortly. Again, remember, do not forget to follow up. I want to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. Let me confirm those details after the presentation and get back to you. Now, there are times when you're not certain about some details, some facts, some statistics. So say that outrightly. I'm not certain about the particular detail, but I will consult our team immediately after this presentation to ensure we provide you with the correct answer. I need to confirm the specifics on that topic. I will connect with our experts right after this presentation and relay the information to you. I am currently awaiting updated data on that area. But I assure you, I will share the findings with you as soon as they are available. Now, if you feel these sentences are way too long, try to remember bits and pieces. Try to remember the first part of the sentence. For example, you can say, I am currently awaiting updated data on that area. I will let you know. Or you could say, I need to confirm the specifics on that topic. Once I know, I will get back to you. I am not certain about the particular detail. Once I know, I will get back to you on. Feel free to take a screenshot, practice these sentences whenever you get time, and elevate your professional communication. With this, I am signing out and hopefully I shall be seeing you in my next course. Bye.